So the first one I'm going to do is the one you already know, the one where we just fuse the front, we turn under 1/4 of an inch, and then we're going to top stitch this into place. This is the treatment that's on the woman's dress and the man's shirt. And depending on what you're doing, if you're doing the woman's dress, you can go either way on this. On the sample, I would like horizontal buttonholes on this sample, okay? So we'll create that for the sample. The second one is this contrast placket where there's 2 pieces. So this is going to be the wrong side with the right side touching. Okay, so right side to wrong side, 1/4 of an inch. And then you're going to bring this out and over. So you're not back on the garment, but back on itself. And this edge is covering the seam and the stitch, and you're going to close stitch this real close to the edge. And usually when they do a placket like this, you'll see a stitch on both sides, so close to the edge, kind of like strapping. And then on this sample, I would like you guys to do vertical buttonholes. We had trouble with the buttonhole machine last semester, but vertical on this one, okay? All right, sample 2. And then we have this one. So we're gonna place this, I'm just gonna center it here. And I've prepared my pressing already. This line up the middle is the cutting line, and I'm gonna go 1/4 of an inch to either side. Let's start here. Top here, cross over, and come back down the other side. And then you slash up the middle. When you get close to that edge, you cut into the corners diagonally. Okay, now I'm going to bring this out. And this would be the right side of the garment. You want that to be nice and clean after you clip those edges. And then on this side, go ahead and stitch this down. So when you start this, you're on the wrong side of your garment. Other side. This stitch is decorative, so it's not as necessary, but I'm going to go ahead and do it to match the video that we just saw. And you want this to land on the right side of the garment, because it's going to get covered up on the right side so that we get that clean finish on the inside. So bring this out to the right side. And now this, we're going to stitch up and across just like the video, and then we'll go back and do the house. Now, when you're ready to go across, again, make sure you catch this underneath all nice and equal. And you need to lift everything out of the way to do this part, because otherwise you'll catch it. I wanted to. Okay. And then the last part is to come back. I gotta clean that up. The last part is to come back and then very carefully stitch around these edges to finish it out, okay? All right.